Growing a YouTube channel can be a challenging process, but here are some tips that may help. Consistency: regularly upload content to your channel. This will help your audience know when to expect new videos from you and can also help with your channel's visibility on the platform's algorithms. Quality content: create engaging, high-quality videos that resonate with your audience. Make sure your videos have good production value, clear audio, and a clear message. Title and description: make sure your video titles and descriptions accurately reflect the content of your videos. Use keywords and phrases that are relevant to your niche to help improve your video's search visibility. Collaborate: reach out to other creators in your niche to collaborate on videos. This can help expose your channel to new audiences and can help build relationships within your community. Engage with your audience: respond to comments on your videos and engage with your audience on social media. Building a relationship with your audience can help foster loyalty and can also help improve your channel's visibility on the platform. Promote your channel: promote your channel on social media, forums, and other relevant online communities. This can help drive traffic to your channel and can also help you connect with potential new viewers. Keep learning: stay up to date on YouTube's best practices and algorithm changes. Attend workshops or read articles to gain knowledge on how to optimize your channel and videos for success. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can build a loyal and engaged audience.